Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change keyboard into LED keyboard on Redmi Note 14. Alright guys, so yeah, if you feel bored with your keyboard right now, with your default keyboard, so don't need to be worried guys, because you can change into another keyboard as you want. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, now I will tell you on how to change the keyboard onto LED keyboard. And the first thing first that you have to do is we have to download first the apps of LED keyboard. So yeah, now the first you can go to Google Play Store to download LED keyboard apps. Now you can search on the search bar LED keyboard and you have to install it first. And if you're done, now you can go to settings menu, scroll down, and then now you can go to additional settings, and then now you can go to language and input. And now you can click on manage keyboards and you have to activate LED keyboard, click OK. And then so yeah, now you can click on current keyboard and change it into LED keyboard. So yeah, here's the result of LED keyboard. Wow, it's attractive, right? And so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to change keyboard into LED keyboard, and thank you so much for watching guys. Bye.